After you have completed a video for the elementary home learning platform, you can either share it or upload it to our Video Learning Google account. If the video file is located within your Google Drive, make sure you rename the file to match our naming convention: grade level _ week number _ bingo card placement. For this example, this video is for kindergarten week 2 square R4. To share the file with the Video Learning account, simply right-click on the file, Share. Type Video Learning to find the Video Learning account. The actual address is edu@fargoschools.org. Click Send to share it. If the file is not located within your Google Drive, you do have the option to upload it to the Video Learning Google account. From the employee portal, you will find a link called Elementary Technology Tools under Links for Me. From this site, click the Video Creation option on the top bar. Under Step 2, you will find an option to upload the video. Find the correct folder for the video you created. For my example, I need to go into kindergarten, week 2, and then upload my video. Click New, File Upload, and go to the location where you have the video saved. Double-click the video. The video will upload into the appropriate folder.